Another video, and today is Sunday. Market is currently closed, about to open in about 3 to 4 hours. And I just wanted to give you guys my bias and what I'm looking at for this week. Let's get into it. Alright, so first off, so for this one, as you can see, this is in an uptrend. But it looks like it's reversing right now. The only thing is this right here. Or even if you move it up a little bit, it's pretty much looks like it's respecting this trend line. Honestly, I was looking for I was really looking for a sell right here because it came down, came up, tested that 1, 2, 3 times, couldn't break it, created a new low, then created a new lower high, and then came down, broke back down through this zone, and came right here, came through, tested like once, didn't really get too much confirmation. But if we do, I'm selling. If I definitely feel like I got enough confirmation, get my tool. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do. Right here. Went down right about there. To make it about a 1 to 2 right there, because I feel like it's gonna, if anything, is gonna come back and touch this trend line at least. Down just a little bit more, keep it tight, make it a 1 to 2. But I definitely feel like if I get enough rejection right here, I'm definitely gonna take that right there, take that quick sell right there. And if it breaks this trend line, then we're gonna go even further down here and get about 344 pips. But for right now, I'm gonna keep it calm. Yeah, keep it even 1 to 2. Risking 70 for 155, so definitely gonna see about that. But I'm also not sure because there's pairs like this. But this definitely has to drop. Like it's definitely not gonna be shooting straight up like that. So, and I kind of like this right here because it has to come back. But if it does go back up, we're gonna have our TP right about there, right at the top. And if it comes down and retest, then we'll take this right here. Quick 1 to 2. Oh, 1 to 2 point, make it 1 to 2.8, 2.65. Just keep it safe. So, and that's why I don't really want to take that sell right there, because if it's in an uptrend, then I'm gonna keep it like that. So I love that. Let me draw that better, because as you guys can see, came up, And then this was during all that CPI news and stuff like that. Came up, broke, tested up here. But what I wanted to do is come down here, and then we'll take it back up there. So that's what I'm looking for with that. If it does start selling off, then we're gonna get in the sell, because came up, yeah, didn't break the zone right here. Even if it did just wigged out, so we call that a fake out. I mean, the zone don't gotta be that big. So yeah, so I might come back to test this trend line, and also, but the thing was with this, when I did this, let's see, actually let's go back to the 4 hour, look at it. I did this on the daily, so let's look at this real quick. So if you actually wanna, get it from the bottom, then it'll be like that, and we would go back here, and if it's gonna retest the trend line, then we'll take it all the way down to the trend line for 300. Let's make it 300. 300 pips. So 1 to 4, and just to give it a little breathing room, make it 1 to 3.2. It's pretty nice risk to reward. So we're definitely gonna be waiting for that. And this right here, this USD cash sell, I'm still in this right now. Yeah, so we already took some profits. So just I'm looking at it on my phone just to give you guys, just to see how far we are from profits. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, so I can actually do it from here. So, well, 60 pips in profit from profit, but in total so far we got about, start from there. Yeah, we closed on some profits right about there. So, as you can see, we're up 230 in profits, and I just uploaded a video on this trade, so if you guys want to know more on that, go check that out. Please definitely leave a like on that and comment. Let me know how that trade went, and all of this, we explained all of this in the other video too, to go specifics into exactly why we took the trade and all that. But yeah, we're still in this, and we're just waiting for it to hit TP. But yeah. So for this AUD USD, so let's go down real quick. Oh, actually, let's start from here. So as you guys can see, was in a downtrend for a while. Came down, couldn't break the zone. Came up, created some new highs. Created this new high, broke this recent high, came down, and then another higher, lower, or lower high. Yeah, so, and then pushed through the zone. We actually wanted to take the trade at the zone, at this zone, but the CPI news came out. I wasn't exactly on the charts in that moment, so we missed out on a couple of trades that we wanted to take. But for this one right here, so now we could, so for this one right here, what I want to see happen, because we got, we kind of have a signal right there. Actually, two signals. Let's see. Rectangles. All right, so right here, as you guys can see, there's two engulfings right here. Pretty, not too bad. Right at the line too. So one right there to take over that one, and one right here, but it didn't take over the wicks. But that doesn't really apply. Sometimes, well, sometimes it might have to take over the whole wick and everything. But for this trade right here, what I want to see it do, I want it to push down maybe a little bit more right there, and then I'll give it some breathing room. I like it a little tighter, so I'll put it right there. So 6. But if I see it pushing up, then I'll definitely get in right about there. And then we see our target, 422 pips. So it's gonna be a pretty big trade. It's gonna take a little time. Maybe it'll take all week, but we'll at least be in some profits during the week. And then we could take some from there and just let it run. And you can see on the daily, it was in a big downtrend. Came up, actually created like I don't know if you would call this an inverse head and shoulders, maybe. Just maybe. Or you could call it a double top, reverse double top. Because there's, let me show you guys. So, my paintbrush, man. With my paintbrush. There we go. So you see that right there. Hold on. Right here. Right there. There. And then right there. You could probably get rid of this. Call it a reverse double top. Either way, it's definitely now in an uptrend for sure. And if you give it a trend line, so you go up there. See, definitely going up for now. I highly doubt that it will reverse because I really wanted to come up here, and then we'll take it all the way up there to that other high. And that's for that trade. That's it for that trade. And maybe 80 CAD if it can reverse and come back down here, then we'll take it up. But CPI missed out on a 1 to 7.727. That is crazy. 248 pips, and it's already almost there. So, but what I feel like it does have to reverse at one point. So if it comes back down here, then we'll take that one. Definitely take that one for 150. So it's not bad. 150 pips. The one that top of the week. 1 to 3.8. Nice trade. Still a nice trade. So. But this is gonna be our focus on definitely for sure. Yeah, so and then NZD USD. Literally want the same thing for this one. If it comes down here, it'll come down here. But if it breaks the zone, then like we want it to come back right here to this line right there. But if it doesn't, then we'll take it up to the last highest point. You execute 1 hour and below. That is it. Never anything above or beyond that. So, right there. About there. Keep it 1. Give it some breathing room. 1 to 3. Risking 100 pips for 300 pips. So, not a bad trade. But if it comes down here, I'll take it from there all the way up there, and then that'll make it a 1 to 5. 510 pips, risking 101 pips. So either way we look at it, pretty solid trade. And also, I was looking at this. I don't see too much going on, but this wick, I feel like this wick right here has to be filled. So it may come back down, but I'm not looking to, if I'm not looking to sell on this pair, then I wouldn't sell on this pair. So that's just something I was always taught. Like if you're bullish on your base pair, then you shouldn't be bearish on another currency pair if the base pair is the same as the one that you're bullish on. So yeah, and then US 30, but we'll check that out in another video. And this is my focus pairs for this week. Thank you guys for tuning in as always. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think, what you guys see on this, what you guys are seeing this week. Just let me know in the comments what pairs you guys are looking at this week, and so just let me know. Yeah, well, peace.